Hi, my name is Alex. I'm a bright girl from Camp to Success. I'm looking forward to learn more about you.
Hi, I'm Cris.
Oh, what is your name?
I'm sorry. My name is Cris.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What do you do for a living and what is your dream job?
I work as the Director of Therapeutic Recreation at Clarity Child Guidance Center. This is my dream job.
What made you want to do this job?
I was told by my father when I was a little kid that I would be a rec therapist one day, and I started teaching school, and I taught for 14 years and saw that Texas State had a therapeutic rec department and degree, so I applied for grad school and got my master's degree, and here I am.
What experiences has your job opened for you?
Meeting more people, meeting people like Tiffany, meeting other people in the community, helping kids, helping raise awareness for mental illness, and try to change the stigma of mental illness.
What is your normal day like?
I come in and have coffee with my staff, and I visit with my staff and ask them how their nights were, how their days were. If it's a Monday, I ask what they did over the weekend, and we chit chat, and then I come in my office and answer emails and go back and forth between my office and my staff's office and check on them, and I go to meetings down there in admin, and I work on budget, I write grants. I hang out with the patients and play games and things like that.
You're very busy.
Yeah, pretty busy.
What challenges did you overcome to have this job?
I had never worked as a director. I was brand new. I had just graduated with my internship, so I had never worked a day in my life as a director of a job like this, so just being brand new, worrying whether my staff would, whether they would accept me or not.
What advice would you give someone my age who would want to be in this field?
To go for it and not stop. Don't let it scare you. Take risks, take chances. You know, I was always told I would be a rec therapist, and I am. So, you know, do what your passion is.
What advice did you ignore that you wish you hadn't?
My parents actually told me right out of school that this is the path I should have taken, and I did not take it. I started out in nursing school. I stayed in nursing for a year, and then I flunked out. I failed nursing school, and then I was going to join the military because I failed nursing school and I didn't know what to do. So talked to my parents and talked to some coaches that I had because I was an athlete, and I started over and reroute.
Who's the most significant person that helped you?
My dad.
What ways do you give back to the community?
I try to volunteer. I volunteer with y'all's organization. I volunteer with Special Olympics. I just help out wherever I can. I try to help our patients, you know, as much as I possibly can.
How much college, school, or training did you have to take?
I got a bachelor's degree, and then I got a master's degree, which helped me get this job. But I'm also working on my doctorate, so I can go, you know, and do some other stuff as well.
How was your childhood like?
I grew up in a divorced family. My parents divorced when I was about 18 months old. So I went back and forth between my mom and my dad. I went and stayed with my dad every other weekend for custody, and then my mom got remarried, and we sat at the dinner table every night, talked about our day. We were very involved, lots of chores, lots of yard work. I was always having to help my dad. We went on weekend trips. We had a customized, you probably don't even know what a customized van is. We had a customized van back then, and you could travel all around. So we did a lot together. I was very close with my family. And I was an athlete, so I played sports, pretty much all my life. So.
What were you planning to be when you were my age?
Nurse. I wanted to be an Army nurse.
What is the dream goal you're working towards?
Being Dr. Blake, getting my doctorate and hopefully teaching therapeutic recreation in college.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thanks.